Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix Nvidia Control Panel is not showing on your right click in your Windows 11 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, you just need to go to your search menu and type over there services.msc services.msc. After that, press enter or click on these services app. And after I get this window, just find this option which is Nvidia display container ls. So just right click on that services, and after that click on start. Okay, after that it will show on your right click. If it is not, then you have to reinstall your graphic card driver. For that, you just need to go to this website which is nvidia.com downloads. So I will give you the link on my video description. After that, you have to choose your product from here, and after that you have to click on search. Then you have to download from this website, and after that you just need to reinstall these driver on your computer, and after that it will fix your problem. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.